Monte Kitchenomics.
Mga ka-Kitchenomics, alam namin lagi kayong naghahanap ng bago at kakaibang lutuin para sa inyong pamilya.
Kaya today, we're excited to show you two delicious and easy restaurant-style dishes na galing sa Vietnam. Ang prawn and pineapple soup at ang Vietnamese fruit jelly. Simulan na natin ang ating prawn and pineapple soup. Una, gagawin natin ang ating sauce.
Aba, may sauce ang ating soup?
Yes, you can add it to the soup as you eat it for added flavor. So sa isang bowl, pagsamasamahin na natin water, calamansi juice, cilantro, siling labuyo, patis, and white sugar. Mix nating mabuti and then set aside. So now, let's make the soup. Diba? So we have here 2 liters ng water at ang reserved syrup from our Del Monte pineapple chunks and onions. Pakulaan natin and simmer for 3 minutes. Pagkatapos, ilagay na natin ang sayote at okra. So kapag half cooked na, ilagay na natin ang ating Del Monte pineapple chunks at siling haba.
Ang Del Monte Pineapple Chunks ang magle-level up ng taste ng ating dish at magbibigay ng healthy twist sa ating recipe.
Kapag luto na ang ating mga gulay, lagay na natin ang ating shrimps, patis, and sinigang mix. So once cooked na ang shrimp, turn off the heat. Add na natin partner ang ating toge, cilantro, and basil.
Serve this with the sauce on the side and you have a delicious and healthy dish.
Now, let's make Vietnamese fruit jelly.
Yes, mabilis lang itong gawin. Unahin natin ang ating green gulaman. In a pot, combine green gulaman powder and water. Leave for 5 minutes to bloom.
Kapag sinabing bloom or blooming, ang ibig sabihin lang nito ay hinihintay natin ma-absorb ng gulaman ng ating liquid. This way, mabilis siyang matunaw kapag pinakuluan.
Ayan. So after 5 minutes, yan, pwede na natin pakuluan ang ating
Yes.
green gulaman. Once done, i-divide lang natin ang ating mixture into 2. So leave half in the pot to keep warm and then yung other half ilalagay na natin sa ating mold. Ang ginagamit namin ay silicone mold. Pero pwede din naman gumamit ng kahit anong mold na meron po kayo sa bahay. So now, let it set in the chiller.
So in another pot, combine clear gulaman, coconut milk, and reserved fruit cocktail syrup. Ibu-bloom din natin siya ng 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, pakuluan na natin and then let's add our Del Monte Fiesta fruit cocktail and our pandan flavor.
Ang Del Monte Fiesta Fruit Cocktail ang magbibigay ng sweet and fruity goodness sa ating dessert.
Isalin natin ito sa ating chilled na green gulaman. Just make sure it's well chilled bago natin ipatong para maganda yung effect. And then ibabalik natin sa chiller.
Let's use the remaining green gulaman and add that as the last layer in our dessert. Ibalik ulit sa chiller until the entire dessert is completely set.
Pag nag-set na ang gulaman, carefully remove it from the mold and then it's ready to serve. Prawn and pineapple soup and our beautiful Vietnamese fruit jelly. Tikman na natin!
Tikman na natin. Yes, gustong-gusto ko yung fresh taste ng ating Del Monte Pineapple Chunks dito sa ating prawn and pineapple soup. At may sauce pa on the side, so parang nasa restaurant talaga ako.
Ano ba partner, ito namang Vietnamese fruit jelly, masarap ang combination ng coconut milk tsaka ng Del Monte Fiesta fruit cocktail. Napaka-special.
For more quick and easy meal ideas, just log on to our website.
Happy cooking!
Del Monte Kitchenomics.